Lord Ganesha's blessings. One day, Lord Shiva, Goddess Parvati, and little Ganesha were resting in their adobe. Narad Muni appeared. Narayana Narayana. Pranam Prabhu, Pranam Mata, Pranam. What brings you here today? Narayana Narayana. Prabhu, the earth is in danger. An angry demon has attacked the earth. He is hurting the people and even the animals. Prabhu, you have to save the earth. Prabhu, hurry up. Please do something. Lord Shiva, with his divine vision, saw how the demon was troubling the earth. He was hurting the people. He was killing the animals. Don't worry, I will take care of the demon. Father, can I come with you? No, Ganesha, I will go alone. You stay with your mother. Lord Shiva sat in his chariot and decided to go and save the earth from the demon. But the horses were not ready to move forward. Lord Shiva tried several times, but the horses did not move at all. Lord Shiva got down from his chariot and went towards the horses. Shiva raised his hand and blessed the horses. Golden rays came out from Shiva's hands towards the horses. Shiva again sat in his chariot and ordered the horses to proceed. This time, the horses started running. As they were traveling through the forest, suddenly there was thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. It was very difficult to travel through this weather, so Lord Shiva decided to wait for some time. He took shelter under a big tree. After some time, the rain stopped. Lord Shiva resumed his journey. After traveling for some time, suddenly one of the wheels of his chariot got damaged and broke down. The chariot came to a halt. The horses were afraid. Shiva got down from the chariot and saw what had happened. Lord Shiva wondered, what is happening? First, the horses were not ready to move. Then the rain. And now this? Why is all this happening? I am going to do a good work. I want to kill the demon and save the earth. So why all these hurdles are coming in my way? It appears to be a divine intervention. Suddenly, Lord Shiva remembered. When the elephant head was procured and Ganesha was brought back to life, Lord Shiva granted Goddess Parvati's wishes and made it a rule that before beginning any new endeavor, it was necessary to worship Lord Ganesha and get his blessings. However, Shiva forgot that the rule applied to him as well. Now I understand why this is happening. I forgot to worship Ganesha before heading for the battle. I have to go back to Mount Kailash and worship Ganesha first. Lord Shiva went back to Mount Kailash. He told Parvati what had happened. Lord Shiva set up a grand puja for Ganesha. Both Shiva and Parvati worshipped Ganesha. Ganesha was happy. With Ganesha's blessings, Shiva started his journey towards earth. Lord Shiva fought with the demon and killed him. This is the reason all the devotees of Lord Ganesha perform a puja for Ganesha and worship him before beginning any new endeavor. This way, we get success and happiness through Lord Ganesha's blessings.
I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and watch more interesting videos.